So I want to make a video on my 2012 Kawasaki 900 Vulcan Classic. I come out to crank it this morning and it made a buzzer sound like a buzzer was going off. So what it was, put your key, unlock the seat. Up under your seat you have your tools. Take that screw out, pop it off. Your battery's up underneath, and all it was the battery wasn't strong enough to start the motorcycle. So when I was trying to crank it, the dash lights would blink and it also would make a buzzer sound, and that's all it was. The battery was too low to charge it. I jumped it off and got it to crank back up.